Gianlorenzo Bernini was a genius, no doubt about that. But he could also be an asshole if things didn't go the way he wanted. In the gardens of the Dominican convent of Santa Maria sopra Minerva, that is the church and cloister behind the Pantheon in Rome, a pristine 5-meter-high obelisk was found. It was brought to Rome by Emperor Diocletian to decorate the Temple of Minerva. The Kiji Pope Alexander VII asked Bernini to think up a unique construction. This is what he came up with, an elephant with the obelisk on his back. The monks, however, were horrified by the idea of such a great weight almost floating in midair and demanded that Bernini would adjust his project to better support the obelisk. They would not want the statue to collapse under the weight of the obelisk and destroying it. No matter how many times Bernini assured the monks it wouldn't collapse, they still demanded the stomach of the elephant supported by a block of stone. That made Bernini very angry, and if you take a good look, you can see what he did. Look at the trunk of the elephant and realize this was Bernini sticking up his middle finger to the monks. And to add insult to injury, he had it placed with the back to the entrance of the convent, so that the first things the monks would see when they stepped outside would be the enormous ass of the elephant. So you see, it is never wise to pick a fight with a genius. And Bernini was one, no doubt about that.